Baby elephant wakes today. Trumpet, trumpet, hooray, hooray. Big floppy ears and tiny feet, making every morning sweet. Under the bright and sunny sky, he waves his trunk and says, hi, hi. Baby elephant walks along, swinging his trunk and singing a song. Through the meadow green and wide, with all his animal friends beside. Butterflies flutter in the air, bringing happiness everywhere. Baby elephant splash, splash, splashes in the pond where water flashes, spraying droplets high and low, watching sparkling rainbows glow. Every splash brings lots of cheer to all his friends gathered near. Baby elephant loves to play, running through the fields all day. Hop and skip and twirl around, dancing on the grassy ground. Birds sing softly in the trees, swaying gently in the breeze. Baby elephant meets a friend, laughing together without end. A little monkey joins the fun, playing games beneath the sun. Happy smiles are everywhere, joy and friendship fill the air. Baby elephant finds a flower, smelling it for quite an hour. Pink and yellow, red and blue, every blossom fresh with dew. Nature's beauty all around makes the happiest playground. Baby elephant marches slow where the winding rivers flow, watching fish swim to and fro in the water down below. Curious eyes and gentle heart make each adventure a work of art. Baby elephant yawns and sighs as stars begin to fill the skies. Moonlight shines so soft and bright, welcoming the peaceful night. He curls up near a shady tree, dreaming of tomorrow's glee. Baby elephant says goodbye, waving his trunk up to the sky. Clap your hands and sing along to the baby elephant song. Fun and friendship every day with baby elephant at play. Baby elephant says goodbye, waving his trunk up to the sky. Clap your hands and sing along to the baby elephant song. Fun and friendship every day with baby elephant at